Please subscribe, like, and share. It really helps us out. And of course, if you have any questions, comment below and we will answer you as soon as we can. Welcome to this IGCSE Mathematics revision lesson. In this video, we'll learn about some of the most important types of numbers you'll need for your exams. Natural numbers, integers, prime numbers, square numbers, and cube numbers. Understanding these number types is essential because they appear throughout the IGCSE Mathematics course. Natural numbers are the numbers we use for counting. These begin at 1 and continue forever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Natural numbers do not include negative numbers, fractions, or decimals. Whenever you're counting objects, you're usually using natural numbers. For example, 3 apples, 10 students, 25 books. All of these are natural numbers. Integers include all whole numbers, both positive and negative. Examples include -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. Unlike natural numbers, integers include 0 and negative values. Think of temperatures. If the temperature falls below freezing, you might see values such as -5 degrees Celsius. That's an integer. Prime numbers are very important in mathematics. A prime number has exactly 2 factors. 1 in itself. Let's look at some examples. The factors of 5 are 1 and 5. Only 2 factors. So 5 is prime. The factors of 7 are 1 and 7. Again, only 2 factors. So 7 is prime. Some common prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11. Remember, 2 is the only even prime number. Every other even number can be divided by 2, so it cannot be prime. Square numbers are created when a number is multiplied by itself. For example, 2 multiplied by 2 equals 4. So 4 is a square number. Let's look at a few more. 3 squared equals 9. 4 squared equals 16. 5 squared equals 25. The first few square numbers are 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, and 49. They're called square numbers because they can be arranged into perfect square shapes. Cube numbers are formed when a number is multiplied by itself twice. In other words, number multiplied by number multiplied by number. For example, 2 cubed equals 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, which equals 8. Another example, 3 cubed equals 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, which equals 27. The first few cube numbers are 1, 8, 27, 64, and 125. They're called cube numbers because they represent the number of small cubes needed to build a larger cube. For your IGCSE exam, make sure you can identify prime numbers quickly, recognize common square numbers and cube numbers, and remember the difference between natural numbers and integers. These skills often appear in calculator and non-calculator questions. Let's recap. Natural numbers are counting numbers. Integers include positive numbers, negative numbers, and 0. Prime numbers have exactly 2 factors. Square numbers are made by multiplying a number by itself. Cube numbers are made by multiplying a number by itself twice. Master these number types, and you'll have a strong foundation for the rest of the IGCSE Mathematics course. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your revision. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, subscribe and share. And comment below so we can clarify things for you.